Wait! Quick question lang. Kung bibili ka ng bahay, team single attached ka ba? Or team townhouse? Si Astrid Townhouse, perfect for starter. Budget friendly, compact, pero complete na. May 2 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, living area, dining at kitchen. Floor area niya around 45 square meter with a lot size of about 50 square meter. Sakto lang kung gusto mong mag-start ng sarili mong bahay na abot kaya, pero functional. Si Anika naman single attached. Mas bigger at mas spacious. Ideal talaga for growing families. May 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, plus mas maluwag na living and dining area. Floor area is around 60 square meter with a lot size of 80 to 90 square meter. May extra space ka pa for parking or even expansion kung kailangan. Ang maganda dito, both units are inside a community along Governors Drive sa 13 Martires, malapit sa Isang 13, schools at hospitals. Kaya kahit alin ang pipiliin mo, sure win ka kasi nasa prime location ka na. Secured with a gated community. May access ka pa sa clubhouse, swimming pool, parks at playground. Ikaw, anong team ka? Team Astrid o Team Anika? Message down below para makita mo ang mga unit na ito. By the way, I'm Angelo Baguio, property specialist from Home Team. Bye!